Hey everyone, today I'm reviewing the training in traffic method. This training teaches you how to generate thousands of free Google visitors daily using a simple tool without the need for ads, blogging, or any technical skills. Mark your calendars because this amazing training launches on April 11th, 2025 at 11 a.m. EST. One of the standout features of this training is the live demonstration of the Traffic Magnets platform where you'll see the tool in action. You'll also hear case studies from real users who have successfully generated free traffic. Plus, there's a step-by-step guide to finding high-value tool ideas and strategies for building interactive tools that attract backlinks. These features translate into real benefits for you. If you're frustrated with traditional traffic strategies or overwhelmed by the complexity of digital marketing, this training simplifies everything. You'll be able to generate traffic without a budget for ads or extensive SEO work, making it perfect for beginners and intermediate marketers alike. When you buy through my link, you get these exclusive bonuses. First, the Traffic Toolbox provides ready-made templates that allow you to quickly implement what you learn, saving you time. Next, there's the Quick Start checklist that simplifies the implementation process so you can focus on executing your strategies. Bonus hashtag 3 is the Traffic Case Study Vault, featuring proven examples to enhance your understanding of the strategies taught. Then, the Tech Made Easy guide breaks down complex concepts, ensuring you can successfully use the tools without any tech fears. Finally, you'll gain access to an exclusive live Q&A session where you can ask questions and get personalized insights to overcome many hurdles. Now let me walk you through a quick demo.
When I first saw this, I thought it was fake. Hey, it's John Armstrong here, and take a look at this simple sleep calculator sitting on a random, boring website. 1.7 million visitors, $37,000 every single month. Now, look at this other plain, unremarkable calculator on a completely different website. $35,000 a month. Same story. No blog, no social media, no ads, no face on camera, no audience. Just a simple, interactive tool sitting on a page, pulling in traffic from Google on complete autopilot. Now, here's the wild part. These aren't rare cases. There are thousands of these tools scattered across the internet, quietly making serious money for the people who build them. And most of those people, they're not marketers, they're not influencers, they didn't go viral. They just published the right kind of tool at the right place and let Google do all of the rest of the work. Now, you've probably heard of people talking about passive income from Google before. I mean, blogs, YouTube, SEO, and yeah, those things can work, but here's the problem with all of them. You have to keep feeding the machine. When you stop posting, the traffic stops. You stop paying for ads, the clicks stop. Everything you build on those platforms are rented, not owned. Interactive tools are different. Google doesn't rank tools the same way that it ranks blogs. When someone searches for a calorie calculator, a mortgage estimator, a kid's math tool, a kilometers to miles converter, they're not looking to read an article. They want an answer right now. And the tool that gives them that answer wins that search, often for years. And that's why HubSpot, Ahrefs, Neil Patel and some of the biggest names online have built entire libraries of these tools. They figured out a long time ago that one useful tool outperforms hundreds of blog posts. The only problem has always been that building a tool requires a developer, real coding, real money, real time. Most people could never get there. And this is exactly the gap that Traffic Magnets was built to close. Let me explain how it works. You log in to the dashboard. You tell the AI what niche or market you want to go after. It instantly finds the highest value tool opportunities in the space, each one scored by traffic potential and earning power. You pick the one that you want, one click, and the AI builds you a fully working interactive tool, Not a template, not a mock-up, a real working calculator or widget with real results ready to publish. One more click and it's sitting on its own landing page, fully optimized with built-in monetization already handled. You post it, you walk away. Google finds it, ranks it, and starts sending you traffic and money. From that point, the tool is working without you, while you sleep, while you travel, while you're doing literally anything else. Now, let me explain how the money actually comes in, because this part matters, right? Traffic Magnet's tools earn through display advertising. The moment your tool goes live and traffic starts coming in, you can activate Google AdSense. Every single visitor generates ad income. You're not selling anything. You don't need a product. You don't need an email list. The traffic is the business. Now, as your numbers grow, you move up. Ezoic and Monumentric pay out significantly better than AdSense, and once your traffic is strong enough, you can unlock Mediavine, which is where things get genuinely life-changing for a lot of site owners. Now here's where the compounding kicks in. One tool pulling 300 visitors a month is a start, but Traffic Magnets lets you build up to 20 tools per month. 20 tools at 300 visitors each is 6,000 people finding you every single month. And those tools don't stop. Month 2, still working. Month 6, still working. A year later, still working. Every tool you add stacks on top of the ones before it. And it doesn't stop there. Inside Traffic Magnets, you get 4 AIs working together for you. AI number 1 does all of the niche research for you and finds you an easy, hidden niche that you can own. AI number 2 finds the exact keywords people are already searching for, the low competition ones that are easy to rank for. AI number 3 actually builds your widget for you automatically. No coding, no technical knowledge, nothing. And AI number 4 creates a simple one-page site to host your tool on, already set up to rank on Google from day one. On top of all of that, we're also throwing in over 100 ways to get free traffic fast so that your very first tool starts making money as quickly as possible. Now let me quickly say this. A few hundred people see this and think that it sounds complicated or time-consuming. It isn't. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to understand SEO. The AI handles the research, builds the tools, and sets up your page for you. The whole process takes minutes, not weeks. Some people also wonder if this actually works for a regular person with no audience or experience. And the answer is yes. And it works precisely because you don't need those things. The tool does the work. Google does the ranking. You just need to show up and tell the AI to build them. And to make this completely risk-free for you, there's a full money-back guarantee. If you give this a real shot and it doesn't work for you, you get your money back. No awkward questions. The sleep calculator making $37,000 a month is still making $37,000 a month. It's been running for years and nobody's touching it. And it's that kind of asset that you are about to build too. So click on that button down below and get started right now.
Don't miss out on this opportunity as seats are limited. And remember, the launch date is April 11th, 2025 at 11:00 a.m. There are also some great upgrades available like Traffic Magnets Unlimited, Traffic Magnets Custom GPT Builder, and the Traffic Magnets Bundle. If you want to start generating free traffic effortlessly, click the link below to secure your spot.